Hi, this is Jay from Quantum Flow, and today is Monday, March 25th, 2024. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at QuantumFlobyJTNC to receive daily market recaps. Today, SPY opened lower, trading sideways virtually all day in a very narrow range. We stated Friday after three massive directional days. Consolidation and therefore sideways price action was to be expected. We also mentioned Friday that we expected today to be another narrowly traded day, with the downside limited to 518, with a failed attempt to recover the all-time highs. We got just what our quantum flow model projected, with the market finding support at 519.39, then attempting to move higher, only to fail a couple of times at 521. The market closed at 519.77, starting 28 basis points, registering less than half its normal volume. Tim posted in the pre-market at 8:30 a.m. that he felt the market would feel heavy initially, with a move toward the downside, testing 519.10. Tim also stated that getting above 521.40 would be a challenge for the market. Tim once again compounded on the post-market recap from Friday and provided actionable trading levels and price behavior for you to use in your daily trading. This information can and will provide a material edge if you use it wisely. We reiterate, we are still in a strong bull market and expect higher prices. And we've stated now for 2 days, our models suggest we may consolidate to 518, which is the lower end of the trend channel from October, before attempting to make new highs. We've seen 2 red days in a row. Will there be a third? We haven't seen 3 red days in a row since early January. Markets like to look left and then move right. That means do what they did before. For Tuesday, expect a green day, but with few economic catalysts. Perhaps the range will stay muted for a few more days. Low volume and narrow trading builds energy for bigger moves, so stay alert, because these bigger moves can come at any time. We are still projecting higher prices into June and continue to buy the dips. For Tuesday, our quantum flow model projects SPY's range to be 517.50 to 524. The lower target is below the lower trend channel from October, which would mean the trend is weakening. There is major support at 518.38, so perhaps the market attempts to trade lower towards this level, then bounces to end the day on Tuesday in the green. We see the upside for Tuesday limited to no more than 523. Quantum Flow's new weekly lineup took 3 trades today, with Friday expiry in 4 days. 2 of these 3 trades were closed out today, same day, for 51.7 and 69.9% profit. We purchased calls on AMD and Amgen, which hit our target the same day. This just proves that there are always opportunities for profit, even if the broader market is flat. We are also on Palantir PLTR 2350 calls with, again, Friday expiry. We are also long SPY 519 calls expiring tomorrow, 1 DTE trades. The model suggests we will hit 521 for SPY tomorrow, which will make the SPY overnight trade profitable. And we do expect Palantir to work out by the end of the week. Dealer positioning for Tuesday to the upside has dealers buying 520 to 522 calls, while selling 523 calls in about the same size. This implies the market makers believe price will pop. to as high as 523 tomorrow, then likely stall. To the downside, dealers are buying 519 to 515 puts in very large size, outpacing call volume by about 4 to 1. This implies if 519 fails, the market could move as low as 515. We see this as a low probability occurrence, but given the number of puts dealers are buying, we advise you be quick to act should quantum flow's lower range, 517.50, fail. Looking out to next Friday, dealers are buying 520 to 523 calls, while once again loading up on protective puts below 517, and in particular 515. This implies if the trend line from October fails and price stays below the trend line for 2 or 3 days, the market will test much to the 515 and perhaps beyond level. As we state daily, dealer positioning changes, so it is of the utmost importance to check in with Quantum Flow pre and post market to understand how dealer positioning may affect the day's price action. While we continue to remain bullish above 518 and won't even consider a bear case until major levels below are compromised, as we mentioned Friday, expect more choppy and less directional price action in a market that is heavily overbought. We continue to buy dips, as we mentioned earlier, but like the dealers are also buying protection, given how inexpensive puts are at the moment. We recommend you do the same. Be sure to check in with Quantum Flow pre-market on our Discord channel at 9 a.m. for an update before the open. And be sure to watch these post-market recaps for actionable intelligence you can use in your trading. Good luck and good trade.